Hey, Chris with Reliable Home Improvement. Today we're doing some dry rot repairs. And if you didn't know, dry rot is a generic term, but what it is a fungus. It loves to eat wood. So wherever we find some dry rot, there's a lot more dry rot right next door. Let me show you some examples of what I found today replacing this trim. So where there's rot, there's more rot. So I had to remove part of the decking here to get to all this. I'm going to cut out sections here. As you can see, I already cut that out with my saw. Replace it, put a Z-bar flashing in there. Here's the back of the T111 boards. This is the area that was sitting low against the deck. See how the water wicks up into there. Places you can't see from the front of the boards. And up close you can see the moisture barrier. This is that paper, the vapor barrier. It keeps the moisture from coming into your walls and your insulation and your studs. This was definitely affected by it. Now the project's complete. Now I just wanted to show you, I did need to remove these deck boards to be able to get access, which meant the trim by the doors had to come off, trim at the window had to come off, had to clean out all the debris, all the rot. Small job, right? Yeah, try 5.5 hours later, and it still needs priming and painting.